Look how bright my torch is. It's fantastic, boys. Apologies, I am absolutely blinded right now. And I ask you please, what's a fella to do when her eyes are black and her hair is blue? Right. Look at this. I apologise for not being out camping again, but I've got an absolute pearler of a torch to show you. Stick around, because this one is going to be given away to one lucky subscriber. So we're looking today at the Olight Baton 4. This is the Flight Pilot edition. Now I've got this in both the standard version and the premium version. So we'll check out the differences, and I'll be giving away the standard version. Winner will be announced on next week's camp. Inside the box then, we've got this. So, it comes in a sort of wireless charger. So the torch sits in there, it's magnetic so it doesn't fall out, and it can actually be controlled by the button on the side, or you can just pull it out and get the torch as it is. They come in a variety of colours. It is stunning. Look at it. Absolutely love a torch. So if you're getting this in the standard edition, they've got a magnetic charger which just magnetizes to the end. There's a USB on the end then, and it charges up that way. If you're getting it with the premium edition, you use this as the charging dock then. This is compatible with other torches, the Baton 3 or 4, and also the Perrin Mini. Luckily I've actually got the Perrin Mini as well, so that would fit in here. The style of it is brilliant. It looks like a giant lighter. It's well cool, and with the arrows up the side like that. Comes in a variety of styles. This is the one I like the look of. Shows the percentage of charge on the side there. And you can see the USB charger. Yeah, so if we use it inside this, you press the button to turn it on. And it's got added features for being in this wireless charger, because you hold this down then. I don't know how it can control the torch, to be honest. This blows my mind a little bit. But you hold it down and there's like a dimmer option. So it goes all the way down. Hold it again, it goes all the way up. So you just stop it where you want that light to be. So that is the main features of the wireless charger. So you can just put it in there to charge. It's got the dimmer option, and obviously it's going to give you extra battery life as well. If we're using it on its own, you can see the awesome features on this. It's got some real attention to detail, that gold clip, and it gives you all sorts of indicators on the front here to show you the charge and the brightness level. So it comes in 3 different brightness levels. So you hold it down, medium and high and low. And you can see that the light changes on this side, so it shows the charge and what brightness level it's on. The other one we've got is the moonlight mode, which some people like. Makes the battery life last incredibly long. So we just hold it down for that then. And not very good in the daylight like now, but if you're in a very dark area and you just want to conserve battery, that's ideal. It's all you need. So battery lifetimes, we've got the moonlight at the moment. That'll actually stay on for 30 days non-stop. The low is 35 hours, which is that, and it's quite bright. That is 121 lumens. Then we go up to the medium, which will last for 8 hours, which is still ample for, well, you could say 2 or 3 nights. You're not going to be using this constantly. And then high, so it's 6 minutes for 600 lumens. It shuts down, goes to 300 lumens for 72 minutes, back up to 16 minutes for the last part, which is 60 lumens. A little bit complicated, but it will last you for about an hour and a half on high setting. Last one then we've got is turbo setting. This is not really recommended. I can't see the point of turbo, to be honest. It's just if you're showing off to your mates. Right, so this, you just double click it and it will go stupidly bright. You can say to your mates, look how bright my torch is. It's fantastic, boys. But that will only last 1.5 minutes at 1300 lumens. Drops down to 600 lumens for 2.5 minutes. Then it drops down to 300 lumens for 73 minutes. Apologies, I am absolutely blinded right now. Things I do for a YouTube video, I tell you what. That is boiling now. The turbo mode. It's dissipated quite quickly actually, because it's got a metal body. The heat has gone down through it, so it's not too bad, to be honest. If you're going to be camping for a long time, I suppose it's worth bringing the charger with you. But it's going to last for a couple of days anyway, so I can't see the point of doing that. That's probably something just to keep in the house. It looks cool while you're charging it. You can see the red light has come on there now, which means it's taking the power from this little battery power bank that's in there. What's the capacity of this? 650. Oh my god, I'm still blind like. Whew. So the capacity of the Baton 4 itself is 650 milliamps, which, as I've said, lasts quite a long time. It's going to last you a few days. The power bank there is 5,000 milliamps, which will allow you to recharge the torch up to 5 times. So that's fantastic. So you can just come home, put it in this charging case, and you know it's good for your next night out then. There's actually a sale on Olight at the moment, which runs from 30th for a week. I'll put the code on the screen. I'll also put it in the description below. Gives you a percentage off if you fancy getting yourself. I mean, they got a lot of nice torches on there. I shouldn't be let loose on that website because I'll just be buying everything. Like, competition time. This is what you're waiting for. How can you win the Baton 4? Very simply, I want you to write in the comment Baton, B-A-T-O-N, and you'll be in the draw. You can get extra entries on my Instagram and Facebook page, and I'll be announcing them in the next wild camping video, which will come out on the 6th of July. So check back for that, because your name might be mentioned. Who knows? So as ever, Olight has done it again. Brought out a cracking product. Which one do you think you would buy? If you don't win this one, that is. Would you go extra for the charging port? Or would you just go for the standard version? Like I say, they've got a lot more different patterns and stuff on their website. It's up to your preference, what you like the look of. Alright, thanks for watching that. Catch you soon. I'll be taking this out on a camp. Take this out next weekend. Good luck for the comp.